Hi, class 102. This is your Chapter 8 Bridges Review. Chapter 8 was all about my home. All right, so let's get started with a review of the vocabulary words. Here we go. Vocabulary. The first word is home. So in a sentence, my home is purple. It's that one. Okay, next word. Live. She lives in the green house. All right, good. So live is a verb. And don't forget, when it's she or he, we need to add an S to the verb. So she lives. Oh, this one. The cat is working very hard on his homework. I do my homework after school. Oh, here, it's an action. It's something that she is doing. What is she doing? Watch TV. I watch TV in the living room. And that's the next vocabulary word is living room. It's the place where you sit together with your family and watch TV or play games. The living room is big. Here is another room, but this is not the living room. It's the bedroom, of course, because you can see here there is a bed. There's usually always a bed in the bedroom. My bedroom is clean. Let's move on now to talking about some of the things that you can find in my house. We looked at these words: sink, sofa, stove, which is the part on top that you use to warm up water or cook eggs in a pan, right? It's the one with the fire or the electricity that is hot. And we also have the oven. Now, the oven is also for cooking, but it's for cooking things like cakes, or it's a different kind of heat. All right. So we have the stove and the oven. All right? Okay, good. Moving on. The bed, the TV. Oh, we love the TV. Yes. We have chairs and a table. And those are some things that you can find in the house. And you should be able to know where those things are in the house. Some other things are a toothbrush, books, toys. There are so many things in the house. So we learned to say it. Oh, let me move myself here, over here. Okay, so we learned to say it in a sentence. For example, you would say, there is a what in my what place? So in a sentence, we would say, there is a TV in my living room. There is a sink. There it is. There is a sink in my kitchen. There is a bed in my bedroom. Okay? And over here now. Now let's go on to talk about the things we do in the home. So there are things that you can find in the home, and there are also things that you do. And here we're going to look at actions. All right? So actions is another word for verbs. Verbs are things that you do. Things that you do. All right? So what do you do in your home? Your sentence might look something like this. I do what in my where, what place. So, for example, what is he doing? I sleep in my bedroom, right? Another one here. What is she doing? I read in my bedroom. Or you can say she reads in her bedroom. Oh, here. What is Snoopy doing? Cook, right? I cook in my kitchen. Oh, and then I eat in my kitchen. I wash my hands in my bathroom. And I brush my teeth in my bathroom too. Okay? So it's always I do what, where. Okay? All right, there you go. You guys got a lot of examples there. Moving on, the last thing that we did in Bridges, chapter 8, was our numbers in math. We looked at odd and even numbers. Okay, so even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if we take the number 76 here, is it odd or even? Remember, we only need to worry about the ones. So 6, is it odd or even? It's even. So that means that 76 is an even number. Why do we not worry about the tens? It's because 10 can be divided into 2 equal groups. If it is even, it can be divided into 2 equal groups. So you can see here we have 5 on one side and 5 on the other. That's equal, okay? So if we take 76 and we want to look at the tens, here are 7 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's divide them into groups and I'll show you that it's equal. So here's our 2 sides. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what do we do with the last 10? Well, we also divide it into 5 and 5. So tens are always going to be even. That means you can take any number and you only need to pay attention to the ones. You can have a big number like 1,591. And all those numbers, there's only the ones that are important. So you look at the last number here, the 1, and 1, is it odd or even? It's odd. So this number is odd. So that's really what you need to remember. When you're looking at a number, you only need to pay attention to the ones, odd or even. 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, or 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Thank you for watching and keep working hard, Class 102. You're doing great. Bye-bye.